Welcome, today I am with OPPO Reno6 Pro 5G and I will show you the loudest speaker level of this device. So I'm going to measure sound level with this Decibelmeter, and right now I'm going to turn on this device to the highest volume level mode. As you can see right now it's turned on, and it means that the values on the screen will only change when the device registers the highest volume level than the previous one. So of course we set up the highest quality, and I'm going to turn on the highest volume level, and let's start. Okay, so as you can see, the OPPO Reno6 Pro 5G reached 113.4 decibels. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.